Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can start building for the Beaver Cup build challenge in Heartopia. So you will have this like island terminal in front of your house immediately if you have built a team, I think. So I'm just going to press this like button here. And then to join the island, you're just going to press enter like so. You'll also see like logs of like what people are doing in that island. I don't know if it's just the team leader that sees it, but I think it's the whole team that that are, that are able to see that. So if you go to like the build log, you'll see like your team earning the fresh sprouts, and I think if they like place anything on the island, like this one, it says Nina updated furniture like candy machine, making much better use of this space. There's also work info here, and you can also like edit the like info of the like island. So I named my fairy cottage. You can also describe it, and I'll do the work photo later when it's like finished, I guess. To start building, you're just going to press this button, and it basically enters you to kind of like a co-building mode. And it says you can use non-creation furniture and building materials owned by team members with no quantity limits. So it's practically similar to if you were building in the like blueprint mode. And you also get like furnitures that your team member has, and they can also use the furniture that you have that they don't have, I guess. So for instance, let's say I have this one in my like collection, but I don't have this one. This belongs to my teammate, but I am able to use it in this like island, on this island, like in this challenge. So it's pretty cool actually. So like I have this one for instance, and then I don't have this, but my team member has it, but I am still able to use it on like in my build. The only thing that like your team member can't use is like paintings that you have, or like the beds that you like paint yourself. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You're just going to start building. And again, if your load, okay, so load is like 500,000. So if you have a lot of items, I think you need like 500,000 fresh sprouts. I think I'm not actually quite sure. I have to check later, but yeah, that is how you can start building for the event. Happy building, everyone. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.